I'm your host, Alvin King. And let me tell you, it feels good to be back here. It feels good to be in this seat. And it feels good to kick off season 5 with all of you. I have really missed you guys. But being away, it definitely didn't turn off all the noise and the news. And we're back tonight, ladies and gentlemen, here with you. And it feels really wonderful. Now, listen, while we were on our 9-week hiatus, the world didn't take a break. The news didn't slow down. And if anything, it came at us harder, faster, and with more twists than any one of us could have predicted. And tonight, we're diving into it with our Season 5 return of Let's Get Newsy 39. So let's start with the headlines that shook us to the core while we were away. First, we watched in disbelief as 2 National Guard soldiers were ambushed, reminding us in this country that once again, that the uniform doesn't protect you from the dangers of division, extremism, or the very real consequences of the rhetoric that continues to divide our nation. And meanwhile, right here in Washington, D.C., a political earthquake hit the city when Mayor Muriel Bowser announced that she would not seek another term. Whether you applauded her or questioned it, one thing's for sure. The decision is going to reshape the future of the District of Columbia in many ways. And we're going to talk about that a little later. And then because apparently, out there, someone said, let's make it harder. We saw SNAP benefits cut, directly impacting thousands of families already struggling to make ends meet. Minimum wage incomes aren't stretching. Food prices aren't dropping. But somehow someone thought cutting SNAP made sense in this moment.